Well, hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Leila Kadni. Please subscribe and let's create a family. So let's get into the first tutorial. To see how I achieved this popping glittery red lips and under eye smoky, keep on watching. First off, I'm going in with the NARS All Luminous foundation. It's in the shade Benares. I'm just pushing the foundation into my skin. Then I'm following up with this Anastasia concealer. I don't know why people didn't jump on this concealer. It's so beautiful. It blends beautifully as like it's creamy and it doubles as a color corrector. That's like amazing. Blending with my beauty blender. Now I'm contouring my face. You know you have to, what's it called now? Shape and contour your face. I forgot what I was about to say. Yeah, so I'm contouring my face with the Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation. Buffing it out. Buff, buff, buff. Buffing all the edges out. I found this Inglot setting powder. It's luminous and it's just like makes your under eye brighter. I'm shading my face and bronzing it up with the CoverGirl bronzer in Ebony, and I'm doing my brows and I'm using the brow pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's in Ebony and chocolate. Cleaning out the brows and making it really cute, really nice, really flaky. Brushing it up and cleaning it up with concealer. Gently close to the lines and just blending it out. The brush I'm using here is a MAC brush. I'm going to put the number in the description box below. I'm setting my lid, my entire lid, with the Inglot setting powder as well to give it some luminosity. Since I'm doing a wing liner, I want the lid to be a lot less busy and clean. Wing liner using the Inglot black, jet black. This liner is so black, jet black liner in 77. Now using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, I am smoking out colors under my eyes, under my lash line actually. Then I'm going in with the darker color. Also placing the Inglot AMC Pure Pigment in 84. It's like a greenish gold. I really like it. It's so pigmented. Now it's time for the glow. I am highlighting my face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in So Hollywood. This is the MAC pencil and the MAC Viva Glam Riri. And that's what I'm using on my lips now because we're creating the popping glittery lip. So trying to make all that nice and cute. Anyway, now I'm applying a glitter glue. You can use any random glitter glue that you have. Some even use like glosses, clear glosses. So you can use anything just so that the glitter sticks onto your lips. So now I'm patting on the glitter. I'm using Jojo glitter by EAD Beauty, I think. Yeah, patting on the red glitter to give us that lip color. You can use any regular glitter glue that you have. It will just scrape. Some people use lip gloss, but then I prefer to use the glitter glue. Patting it on. Wow, this color is so beautiful. Like, I remember doing it and I was just like, whoa, I love it. Oof. This is so nice. This is a party rocker, like a concert look. And you know, in this December in Lagos, we're going to be doing a lot of turning up, and you can rock this to any of your events, Here's the final look, guys. Look at the glow popping. Woo. You go, girl. Yeah, and I got the reindeer gloves. I don't know what to call it. And since I'm a wine girl, I decided to take some for the season. Bye, guys. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and have a good time. Feliz Navidad.